Welcome back. Are you looking for ways to save time and boost your productivity using AI? Today, I'm sharing the top 5 AI tools that can make your daily tasks easier and more efficient in 2024. Tool number 1. Notion AI helps you summarize notes, generate content, and organize your workspaces. It's perfect for students and professionals who need to manage tasks, ideas, and projects all in one place. Tool number 2, ChatGPT by OpenAI can assist in writing emails, brainstorming ideas, or coding, helping you work faster. It's like having a smart assistant ready to support you anytime. Tool number 3, Grammarly AI improves your writing with grammar corrections and tone suggestions. It's essential for anyone who writes professionally or casually. Tool number 4, Pictory allows you to turn scripts into videos quickly, ideal for YouTubers, marketers, and educators who want to create visual content using AI. Tool number 5, Otter.ai is a powerful AI transcription tool that records meetings, interviews, and lectures, then turns them into accurate text, perfect for journalists, students, and remote teams. Bonus tool, Trello plus automation. Combine Trello with automation tools like Zapier or IFT to automate task management, email reminders, and much more. Conclusion: which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tech videos.